Writing SEO-friendly content involves crafting text that is both engaging for readers and optimized for search engines. This means using relevant keywords naturally, ensuring readability, and providing valuable information. The goal is to increase visibility in search results while maintaining quality to convert visitors into customers. SEO-friendly content is designed to align with search engine algorithms while meeting user needs. It involves strategic keyword placement, engaging headlines, and high-quality, relevant information. This approach ensures content is discoverable, valuable, and authoritative, ultimately enhancing visibility and driving organic traffic. SEO-friendly content is strategically optimized to align with user intent and search behavior, ensuring high search engine rankings. It achieves a perfect balance between keyword optimization and readability, providing genuine value to readers. This approach builds authority, establishes trust, and drives organic traffic, converting into measurable business results. In 2025, SEO-friendly content is crucial as over 50% of clicks are captured by the top 3 search results. Users trust organic results 75% more than paid ads. High-quality content enhances visibility, engagement, and attracts authoritative backlinks. Google's algorithms prioritize content that meets searcher intent and offers an exceptional user experience. Strategic, high-quality content is key to ranking higher and gaining more clicks. It must cater to both search engines and human readers, ensuring relevance and engagement. Crafting content that aligns with searcher intent and provides value is essential for achieving top positions and maximizing visibility. SEO writing is anchored in 3 core principles: relevance, authority, and user experience. Relevance ensures content aligns with user intent and search queries. Authority is built through credible sources and backlinks. User experience focuses on readability, engagement, and accessibility. Mastering these principles enhances visibility and drives organic traffic. The 3 C's of SEO content are crucial for success. Content must be clear, helpful, and keyword optimized, answering user questions with depth. Code should feature clean HTML, optimized meta tags, and fast loading. Credibility is built through authoritative backlinks and user trust signals, establishing your content as a definitive resource. The Pareto principle in search engine optimization emphasizes that 20% of efforts yield 80% of results. Prioritize quality content and authority over exhaustive technical details. Focus on indexability, strategic keyword positioning, and effective link building to maximize impact. This approach ensures efficient resource allocation and significant traffic growth. Crafting SEO-friendly content requires understanding search intent and integrating keywords naturally. Prioritize readability and user experience by avoiding keyword stuffing. Use strategic keyword placement in headings and body text to enhance visibility. Industry experts emphasize the balance between optimization and engaging content to effectively reach and retain your audience. Focus on a human-centered approach by understanding your audience's intent and questions. Integrate keywords naturally in headings and opening paragraphs, avoiding awkward stuffing. Strategically place keywords in body text and conclusions, as exemplified by SEMrush, ensuring readability and user experience remain intact. Prioritize mobile-first design with short paragraphs and responsive layouts for both mobile and desktop users. Ensure content is scannable using clear subheadings and bullet points. Enhance engagement and accessibility by incorporating compelling images with descriptive alt text, boosting both understanding and search engine optimization performance. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to identify high-opportunity keywords. Prioritize long-tail keywords for specific, less competitive queries. Strategically place primary keywords in title tags, meta descriptions, URLs, and content. Ensure keywords are integrated naturally to maintain readability and user experience. Utilize Google's People Also Ask to uncover common audience queries. Develop authoritative content with question-based headings, offering detailed, actionable answers. Link to related resources for deeper insights and update regularly. Hosting your search engine optimization-friendly blog exemplifies this. achieving top rankings by covering multiple related keywords, and frequently asked questions comprehensively. Transforming generic content into SEO-optimized material involves crafting clear, keyword-rich titles and structured subheadings. Ensure compelling meta descriptions and strategic internal links. Use high-quality images with descriptive alt text. These practices lead to significant traffic increases, higher rankings, and improved engagement, as evidenced by a 245% traffic boost and 67% higher rankings. Generic content often lacks focus, with vague titles and dense paragraphs, deterring readers. In contrast, optimized content features keyword-rich titles, structured subheadings, and strategic links. This transformation leads to a 245% traffic increase, 67% higher rankings, and a 3.5 times engagement boost, showcasing the power of search engine optimization in driving results. Strategic optimization transforms content from generic to impactful, enhancing both visual appeal and performance. Optimized content with clear structure, keyword focus, and strategic links significantly boosts traffic and conversions. The results are evident: a 245% increase in organic visitors and a 67% rise in rankings, demonstrating the power of well-executed search engine optimization strategies. Final takeaways emphasize the importance of aligning content with reader intent, strategic keyword use, and mobile-friendly design. Regular updates ensure relevance, while building authority through quality backlinks and expert citations enhances domain reputation. These steps are crucial for creating SEO-friendly content that meets user expectations and search engine standards. Prioritize reader intent to enhance user satisfaction, signaling quality to search engines. Use keywords strategically without disrupting flow. Ensure mobile-friendly content with clear headings and short paragraphs. Regularly update content to stay relevant. Build authority with quality backlinks and expert citations to boost domain reputation. SEO-friendly content is a strategic asset, not a quick fix. Transform your writing with proven strategies to boost visibility. Remember, while content is king, engagement is queen, as Mari Smith says. Start creating content that ranks, engages, and converts, ensuring your audience finds you first. Thank you for joining us. Now, let's delve into applying these search engine optimization strategies to your specific content goals and business objectives. Feel free to ask questions and engage in discussion.